The Trimble XR10 with HoloLens 2 utilizes mixed reality technology to take your 3D content off the screen and into the real world, precisely conveying the work to be done to every stakeholder on the project, ensuring that your projects come in on time and in budget. Integrated into an industry-standard hard hat, the XR10 is a purpose-built device that includes a flip-up lens for clear vision, an intuitive user interface, and job site certifications for safe on-site use. Perform immersive pre-construction walkthroughs in the 3D coordinated model with local and remote stakeholders to clarify design intent. Visualize the design overlaid with the context of the as-built building elements, even those behind walls and beneath floors. With Trimble Connect for HoloLens, contractors can detect clashes, measure, create to-dos, and track issues on site and in the shared model. Enhance communication, optimize coordination, increase confidence, and reduce downtime with the Trimble XR10 and Trimble Connect for HoloLens.